There are no specific National Electrical Code sections prohibiting the practice of routing branch circuit Romex cables through PVC conduit, with adherence to certain stipulations outlined in the code. Firstly, Romex raceways. In this case, the PVC conduit must be securely fastened at intervals not exceeding 24 inches, as mandated by Article 334.30 of the National Electrical Code. This ensures the mechanical stability and protection of the cables within the conduit. Secondly, if the raceway is constructed from non-metallic materials, such as PVC, additional measures are required to protect the cables from potential physical damage where the conduit passes through metal studs, joists, or rafters. Article 318.23 stipulates that in such instances, the metal framing members must be shielded with steel plates or other forms of reinforcement extending a minimum of 3 inches on each side of the raceway penetration. This added protection safeguards the cables against abrasion or other damage that could compromise their insulation and create a safety hazard. Thirdly, it's important to understand how the National Electrical Code treats the connection between non-metallic raceways and electrical boxes. Article 314.17 clarifies that a non-metallic raceway is considered to be of the same material as the box to which it is connected. This means that the rules and requirements applicable to non-metallic boxes also apply to the non-metallic raceways connected to them. This provision ensures consistency in the application of code requirements and helps to maintain the overall integrity of the electrical system. It is important to consult the latest edition of the National Electrical Code and local amendments for specific requirements and interpretations applicable in your jurisdiction. Always prioritize safety and adhere to all applicable codes and regulations when working with electrical systems.